Hola, ¿qué tal? Yo soy la profesora Zapata. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be focusing on Palabras, Coloquiales, parte 2. So this is another colloquial video. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. The beauty of learning Spanish is that you get to learn so many different ways of saying one thing. Por ejemplo, soda, a soft carbonated drink. There's so many ways of saying this. Most Latin American countries will use the word refresco. On your right side, on the bottom, refresco. Refresco. However, in places like Colombia, Venezuela, and Argentina, on your left side, you see the word gaseosa. 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 Sometimes when you say it fast, it may sound like gaseosa. These are not the only countries that use this word, but it's just an example. And then you may head over to Ecuador. And in Ecuador, they say cola. 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 Now, that may only mean one type of soda. You may have to mention which type of soda you want. It depends which area of Ecuador you might be in. And then you head over to Panama. Panama. On the right side on the top, and they just say soda. Soda. So just put a little Spanish accent to it and say soda. Gaseosa, cola, refresco, soda. Here is a very interesting word, and it's one of the most diverse words I have learned about. The word fiesta, party, fiesta. In Colombia, we say either rumba or parranda. Don't forget that double R sound. Rumba, parranda. Then you go to Spain, and it sounds like juerga. Juerga. Very interesting. Then we head over to Mexico, and it sounds more like reventón. Remember that V sound in English is not the same as in Spanish. In Spanish, it sounds more like a B. Reventón. Cuba is pachanga. Pachanga. Then in Chile is jarana. Jarana. Bolivia, preste. Panama, parking. That's an interesting one. República Dominicana, teteo. Costa Rica, turno. Another word for in Chile, carrete. Double R, carrete. Guatemala is toque. And Peru is tono. Wow, very diverse. So these are multiple ways of saying fiesta. Fiesta will be the more universal word in Spanish for party. But there are all the other ones that you can learn to pronounce. And the last word in our video today is the word pen. The most universal way you can say pen in Spanish is el bolígrafo. El bolígrafo. Remember, when you see that accent mark over the vowel, you want to make sure you put your voice emphasis on that syllable. Bolígrafo. El bolígrafo. In Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay, turns out that there are two ways you can say it. Biro or virome. Viro, virome. Then you may head over to Colombia and Ecuador, and you can hear either esfero, esfero, or you may even hear lapicero, lapicero, esfero, lapicero. Then we go to Central America and Guatemala, Honduras, or Costa Rica. And you may hear the word lapicero, lapicero, just like the one we mentioned before, lapicero. Then we may head over to Chile and hear the word lápiz pasta. Lápiz pasta. Then Bolivia, they may say punta bola. Punta bola. And in Puerto Rico, you may hear the word pluma. Pluma. Lápiz pasta, punta bola, pluma. And we have come to the end of our video. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to email me at laprofesorazapata@gmail.com, questions, suggestions, or even sharing new ways that you know that I may not have mentioned here about how to say pen in different Spanish-speaking worlds. Remember that all my examples are just that, some examples. They are not the only ways that we say pen in the Spanish-speaking world. Ciao, ciao. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.